In Otavalos, many Indians still speak their native Quichua language, another strong piece of evidence of their ability to hold on the traditional culture values and practice despite years of oppression from colonization. Quichua is still commonly spoken at the home among the Otavaleños, and it is the first language of most indigenous families. This did in the with traditional clothing styles are powerful ethnic markers that defines the indigenous Otavaleños, specifically Indian.
A major aspect of being identified in Ecuador is dress. People familiar with native dress can often tell roughly where an Indian is from based on what they wear. Otavaleños are no different, and many still wear their traditional dress. For men, this consists of a blue poncho, fedoras, white caplet knickers, a shimba, and a long braid that hangs down nearly to the waist. This tradition probably dates back to Breaka time and is an established and yearly root tradition. The women's dress is the closest to Inca custom worn anywhere in the Andes. Women are dressed in white blouses, blue skirts, and shawls. Jewelry is also an important addition to the Otavaleños outfit. Layers of necklace of predominantly gold beads and red coral bracelets are the most common form of jewelry worn by the Otavalo women. Music groups from Otavalo, known as conjuntos, have been instrumental in establishing the traditional Andean sound as a force in the world music scene. Generally, the men play percussion and wind instruments as well as Western string instruments. Men and women sing traditional songs both in Quechua and Spanish. Not only has the music scene flourished regional in Otavalo, but its competitions have become national events in Ecuador.
Maize, potatoes, and domesticated guinea pigs are features of Otavaleño agriculture, so it is sense to reason the cuisine reflects the farming. Quimbolitos are formed from corn, locra soup from potatoes, and roasted cuy are popular delicacies along with a local favorite fritada. Fried chunks of pork served with a white corn. Otavalo is a magical mix of history, customs, culture, cuisine, and folklore. Don't miss this fascinating city while on your Ecuadorian vacation. Ecuador is home one of the largest markets in South America. Otavalo, a small town, has many surprises to delight authorities who decide to visit this beautiful place, both for national and foreign tourists. The market of Otavalo is a very famous place in the whole world. It is a very well-known place for all of the textile and handmade products that have the particularity that they have made by hand. In this beautiful place, there are several falls, corridors to discover this rich artisan culture. Tourists can stay long time enjoying every corner, enjoying different products to be able to satisfy any taste.
In Imbabura, Otavaleños celebrate the best popular festival Yamor. This word is composed by two words, Yam that means winds and Mur that means grain. The word Yamor is translated for the chicha of winds though. The Fiesta del Yamor City, the people from the communities come together to plant Pachamama for the harvest and the religious feast dedicated to the Virgin Mary of Montserrat, whose name coincides with indigenous feast.